Welcome everybody, this is DCs here to another episode of car reviews today. Right in front of us today we have 4 Mini GTs. Now this one, and this one does not belongs to me. It belongs to my godbrother Alex, who is from Nimbus Diecast, and shout out to him and for lending me these cars to do a review. So this is mine. Just bought it recently. So this channel is all about reviewing things that I like to collect, like cars, like this style of things. So without further ado, let's unbox it. So he gave me permission to unbox this too, to take out. This one he already has unboxed it. So this is by Mini GT. This is the BMW M3 F9 Alpine White. So TSM model, where you can see this is licensed by BMW. Okay, you can see the license number. So these are fully licensed by BMW. So Mini GT, they are not cheap, seriously. They are expensive, but the details of it is tremendously good. Look at that. Wow. Let's put this aside. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Even the wheels, you can see, has a BMW logo on it. See, look at the rear lights. Comparing to Hot Wheels, man, the difference is night and day, people. Not saying Hot Wheels don't do a good job. They are doing magnificent job, but the Mini GT are doing even better job because the details of it is so much details on this car. But of course, you must understand that the price that you're going to pay is going to be much more. So if I'm not wrong, this is going more than I think about $20 if I'm not wrong, $16, $20 Singapore dollars from retail. So even there's, you can see the window wipers, the BMW logo. Can you see that? Very detailed. So yeah, so this costs maybe twice the price of the Hot Wheels Premium or the Matchbox Premium. And look at that, you even have if you take a look, these lines on the cars, they are actually heat strips. So what happened is that when you have fogging at the back of your rear window, and because you want to use your rear window mirror to look at behind cars. So when fogging starts, you can actually press these heating strips to turn on, and then the fog will go away, and then you have a clear view from the passenger, from the driver's seat. So yeah, look at that. M3, BMW M3. This is very old school. I think this backdates in the 2000s. Yeah, 2000 or the 1990s. During the 1990s, this car came out. So let's just put it there. Next we'll unbox. Okay, I don't think we'll go with the Nissan GTR first. We'll go with all the BMWs. So look at that. Wow, look at the box. So just show you guys. So this is Hong Kong exclusive BMW E30. So nice. It is acrylic box, people. It's a 1/64 scale TSM model. Yeah, and yes, it is also fully licensed by BMW. So license meaning that means this, the BMW gave them the rights to to fabricate the cars accordingly. So let me see, how do I open this without destroying the box? It is so scary. Okay, back guys, sorry. So let's open this up. I don't want to destroy the box because it's not mine. If it's mine, I'm okay, but because it is not mine, So yeah, look at that. It's acrylic box. Look at that. I don't think I would want to open this up. Look at the detail. Watson shell. So this is the Hong Kong exclusive BMW M3. Now there's quite a difference, you know. It's a great car. Okay, let's leave this here. And let it chill. Leave this here. And let it chill. And we open this up. Okay. So this is the Mobile One Hong Kong exclusive BMW M3 E30, scale 1 to 64, fully licensed as you can see. And yeah, look at that, it's beautiful, right? This Mobile One design. So let's take this out. This is much easier than the other one. And look at that, people. Look at that. Wow. Lovely cars. Okay. Oh, so it is a door. So you just take it out. Yeah. Oops. It's dropped out by itself. Let's put this housing behind. And yeah, this is the Hong Kong exclusive Watson design, Oklahoma BMW M3. Wow, look at that, people. Look at the details of it. Great details. Wow, this is magnificent. So apparently this is a door. You just need to leave it open. Oh, I don't like the sound. I really don't like the sound. Oh, this one is a bit stuck. Okay. And yeah, look at that. Wow, white spokes, white rims. This is a Mobile One BMW E330. Wow. Is it E330? Let me double confirm. Yes, M3 E30, sorry. And look at the details of it, people. Look at that. Great details from Mini GT. So as you can see, you know, these are, you know, the many differences as compared to, you know, to Hot Wheels Premium. Of course, the price of it, of course, is really much more expensive. So I'm not very sure retails for these two, the Mobile One and the Watson. I'm not very sure how much it costs in retail. I only know the basic colors, or the M3 BMW M3 E30, the white color version. So these two, I'm not very sure how much the cost of it. So right now, without further ado, we'll finally unbox the Pandem Nissan GTR Cosmopolitan Yellow. Now I believe this was done, there are many reviews online on YouTube about this. Man, when I saw it, I really fell in love with this color. I think I'm very attracted to gold color, or not, yeah, gold color, more on gold, not on yellow. So this is, ooh, look at that, people. Wow. Oh my gosh. Do we have a car orgasm here? Ooh. Oh wow, this is a beautiful piece. Oh, but why is it so hard to take out? Stuck. Okay. Oh, wow, look at that, people. This is the Nissan GTR R35. Yeah. Wow. In Cosmopolitan yellow. It is a goldish and goldish. It's gold in color lah. So it's a very gold color and it has a pendant. Look at that, people. Look at the rear lights. Wow, it is so much details, people. And this is my very first Mini GT car that I ever bought. My very first car from Mini GT. Look at the exhaust pipe. Everything is so detailed. And one more thing, even have the side mirrors. Like the rest, they too have side mirrors. But if it's pretty small, I'm not sure you can see. Yeah, it's pretty small. But this one you can see lah. So one thing, the difference between the Hot Wheels and Matchbox, I think Matchbox maybe have, I can't remember. Difference between Mini GT, you know, they do have, they are down to details. Even the lights, you see, it is not a painted over lights like Hot Wheels. This is really an acrylic or a plastic piece. Look at that, people. This is magnificent. Wow, lovely car. So that's all for today. Yep. That's all for today. Okay, I think this guy will come join in here. That's all for today's video. So I'll catch you the next live. Not next live. I'll catch you in the next unboxing. See you again next Friday. If you enjoy, please click the like button, subscribe. You know, it'll be helpful for me, you know, to share, you know, to more people. So I'll see you again next Friday. Take care, be safe, bye bye.